Okay, guys, I found the old filter. So let's go back to the game. Up, side, side, down. Okay, guess where I go? I went here, but I went down and went there. So, say hi again.
Hello.
The filter. Chloe, can you hug me? Can you hug Ate?
No, I want you.
Can you high five me?
No.
I want the milky. I want the milky. Can you watch my sister, guys? I'm just gonna let you watch over here. Just tell me what happens to her. And it's okay if she takes the camera or phone. So they're gonna watch you. Okay, bye. What is she doing?
Sabi na naman anak ay.
I don't know. I just think of her. Oh my god. This is my safe place to film when I don't like anyone watching me. Okay, just... Sometimes my sister doesn't like it, but she laughs. But maybe I do it too hard sometimes. So yeah, let's go back and check on her. I'm gonna pretend I'm not filming. Oh my god. Say hi!
Hello. Hi. What's that vlog?